our room got upgraded. Let's go! We are on deck 8, room 572. Our room is sanitized and ready for us.
I don't think they're ready for this.
They're not ready?
I don't think they're ready for it.
Oh. These are getting... Whoa! Look at this! Let me show you guys a little bit about what we got and how we got it, because we actually didn't pay for this room. When we first booked our cruise, we actually changed rooms, and that's something that you might be able to do too. Oh my gosh, let me show you the room. Let's talk about it. So we have been upgraded from an interior room to an ocean view balcony. So this is the door that you come in at. We have a full-length mirror right next to the door and a wastebasket. To our left, we have the bathroom. And don't trip. Don't trip, y'all. Just gonna turn on the light. It's a nice floor here. It's not tile, but it does have some anti-slip properties on it. We have our hand towels, sanitary disposal, the trash here, a little cleaning brush there, toilet, storage space in the corner with 2 cups. So we also have a sink and huge mirror. We have Salt and Breeze all washed up soap and our soap container there. Big bath towels and a reminder to conserve, of course. Turn around so you can see this shower. Now this shower drains out to the left and we have a little bit of everything. We've got a removable shower head. Let me just, oh yeah, this bad boy pulls out. I am struggling.
You want me to get it for you?
Oh, well come on in here, Tonga. I am struggling. Why, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Looks like you got short people problem.
Ooh, I do have short people problem. No, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
All right, 6'3", babe. Here, I'm gonna lock you in. Ha, how's the height? Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Can you touch the ceiling?
I can move it around. I mean, it's not like terribly bad.
It'll do for you.
Not enough room for you and I.
All right, moving on. We've got our coat hooks here, and this is the room overall. Love it. So let's step out of the shower. We have a desk to our left. So there are a couple outlets here. We actually have a US based outlet, 2 of those, so that's pretty cool, as well as a European outlet, 2 USB chargers, a button here that turns on the mirror, another US based outlet and European outlet. That is really nice. The light on. So if you need to get ready, there's this vanity mirror. Love it. And moving over to the right, a couch. Yeah, that actually extends out to a bed and a little piece of artwork here. So it actually feels like a nice little lounge, you know. I love that there is this spacious, you know, thing.
Hey, get your feet off of that couch.
See, they're not on the couch. They're actually off. I'm in a pike. So there's plenty of space to just kind of sit down, unwind. Let's keep going with the tour. To the right is closet number 1. Closet number 1 gives us a ton of hangers of all types, all wooden. Nobody ever talks about laundry services. So if you're curious about pricing, here's how much it costs. Pause this video, take a screenshot. We have enough space for a towel, dress, or something or another. And then we have another center bar. And then we have space down here for luggage. That center bar cannot be removed. And then as we move to the left, past our gorgeous couch, this unit here has been blessed with tissues and a hair dryer if you need it. In this drawer we have our entire room service menu. All you have to do is just check whatever it is that you want and leave it hanging on your door. And plenty of different door tags, so love it. As this drawer. And y'all, soft clothes, we love to see it. Oh, look, another book. A wonder book on the art of Royal Caribbean. So, little casual reading in your living room. Soft clothes. Oh, no surprises here, but the drawers are pretty deep. For reference, this is my cell phone. I have an iPhone. And one final drawer, a little bit more shallow down here. And now it's time for the mini fridge. This is a 1.5 liter bottle that we picked up at the convenience store. It will not fit exactly here. Oh dear, did I break this? Nope. So it won't quite fit here or here, but these trays actually slide out. So I wonder, yes, can still fit. Oh dear. Oh
I
dear.
have to take both of it.
Okay. Closing that. The next closet, so you guys get a good idea of storage. This one, pretty simple, a lot more shelves, a couple of hangers here. There are 6 different cabinets, and of course a safe that you use your pin and then you lock it and then you open it with the same pin or a different pin if you want. Nice space. I've got my backpack here. Drawer space here. Comment below, do you guys actually use the drawer space? Because honestly, I kind of keep things in my bag because I don't want to repack it again. But comment down below whether or not you guys actually use any of the storage spaces. Our bed's got the beautiful headboard. This is a king size bed, which is essentially 2 twins put together. We each have a little nightstand with a lamp and little side storage here. We have these little knobs. I don't know what those knobs are for.
Probably put your umbrella. That's what it looks like. It's for. Like you just put it.
Oh, that's convenient. Whatever can hang can go there. And for reference, this is how tall the room is. Can you touch the ceiling, hon?
Oh, 6'7", something like that.
About 6'7", you're probably hitting your head.
Or 6'6".
We have a big TV here giving us information about how fresh the air is according to scientists. We have a remote control. And on this side, we do have an in-room phone and individual lights. Each lamp has a USB charger as well as a US outlet, and I can cut it on or off. We have a phone and these gorgeous blackout shades. And now is the really fun part. We got this room for this particular reason. Let's open it up. Blackout shades. Ah! Yay! Ocean view balcony. Yes!
Turn it up. There you go.
Turn it up
And then pull.
and then pull it back. Y'all gotta see this. This is so cool. Y'all, come on, take a peek at this. This is why you get a balcony for sure. Wow. All throughout the cruise, we have access to this sun.
That's where we were at the other day.
You've seen our bike tour video, we were on the other side of the W Hotel, on the other side over there. With this room comes 2 loungers and a nice little kickstool side table here. And that's right, babe, he's already getting, and the chairs adjust too. You just have to hit the adjuster there. How you living, Biggie Smalls?
I'm living in mansions. I forget how the lyrics go.
There you
Well,
go.
this is nice.
Yeah, it's so relaxing. Comfortable, huh?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
We need something like this.
Yeah, I know. To go on our yacht.
Yeah.
The balcony is not a bad size either. I'm not falling off this balcony anytime soon. It's pretty tall. I'm 5'3", and it kind of goes almost up to my shoulders for the most part. How about you, babe? You want us to take a stand? Because that's a concern too. Some people are like, oh, I'm gonna fall off the balcony.
Close it over my waist, you know.
We've got these dividers in between the rooms. These dividers are pretty tall. A lot of privacy on here. You can probably hear sound, but pretty private for the most part.
I'm just so glad we upgraded.
Let's get on and back through here. All right, now it's time to chat a little bit about how we got this room upgrade. When we booked this cruise in 2019, yes, 2019, it has been years for us. So we had saved the money up for the cruise in the beginning in 2019, and we had all this extra time to not only plan future fun and not go anywhere, but to also think about what we wanted. We booked the cheapest room you could possibly book. We didn't even pick our stateroom number. If you go on the Royal Caribbean website now, and if you book an interior room, let them decide your room. That is what we got, because we figured, well, we're not gonna be in the room a lot, right?
Yeah. Why waste the money?
It was still lovely from what it looked like online. And
Yeah.
then as the years rolled by, we were like, oh, we can't wait to get on this cruise because we had to rebook it and rebook it. And if you haven't seen the vlog where we actually had to reschedule, check that out. That was a sad day. We kept getting bumped to the next cruise, to the next sailing, to the next sailing. And the good thing about Royal Caribbean is they gave us 125% credit to rebook. So not only did we already pay for our stateroom, but then we got 125% credit, so an extra 25% credit to book. So we had some credit there, right?
Yeah.
So then here we are, flash forward. As I was researching the cruise, because y'all know I like to research the heck out of everything, we wanted to know if we could upgrade our room. And I didn't see anywhere where we could do that on our Royal Caribbean account. I didn't see anywhere where we could do that on the Royal Caribbean app. Hermit memed, I was just furiously typing, trying to figure out if that was possible. Would I have to call the number? I'm a millennial, I don't want to call numbers, I want to do it all myself online. So I found a message board that said, hey, you could potentially upgrade your cruise with this thing called RoyalUp. Then I went on Royal Caribbean's website, searched the frequently asked questions for the RoyalUp program. If you haven't heard of RoyalUp, it is a way to upgrade your stateroom, but you must bid a price. So it's almost like an auction, like an online auction, where you select your price and you select the room that you're looking to upgrade to. And if you win the auction, then you win your upgrade, right? You do have to pay for it. There are minimum prices for each stateroom. So we got the lowest stateroom possible. So we had a ton of different upgrades. We could have upgraded to a larger interior stateroom, a virtual balcony, ocean view room, or a balcony room at the promenade, or this ocean view balcony. We couldn't upgrade to a suite, but this was the highest upgrade we can get. And you're allowed to change your pricing for each room type. So we thought, hey, why not bid on every room? That's an upgrade to ours. We researched the prices for how much an ocean view balcony costs, so we didn't bid more than the price would have actually been. Think about whether or not you'll actually be on the balcony or not, whether you get seasick, whether or not you care to look at the ocean, or do you want to be out doing your activities all day long. Every room you get is gonna be nice. So there really is no bad room. If you're debating whether or not you should get an ocean view room versus an interior room, definitely count the cost, and if it makes sense for you, go for it. There's some consideration. How long are you gonna stay in your room? The space that you need. The interior rooms are a little bit smaller. I'll show you one of those to compare. Quick view of an interior stateroom. Wow, same pretty much layout.
It's virtual.
Yep.
There's cameras on the outside of the ship that's pointing right at the
Same
port.
layout. Closet space here. Same type of vibe. But you've got a virtual balcony. TV and hooks. And a desk. And a couch. And dresser drawers. And this is cool. So it's live footage of what is outside. Very cool. We just bid a little bit on each room category.
What do we got to lose?
Yeah, what do we gotta lose? Our interior rooms are really, really cheap because we got one of those buy one, get one, plus an extra $350 credit, plus like another credit. So we got really great rates. So an extra $350 to us wasn't, you know, wasn't big, but depending on the price that you paid for your room, you may want to consider those costs too. So definitely check to see what the room is valued at, and what you paid for it, and how much you're willing to bid. So you can bid on a room, and if they accept your bid, and they can accept your bid at any time or deny it at any time. Your bid is valid up into 2 hours past your sailing. So we're sailing out of Barcelona at 6 p.m. Royal Caribbean has until 8 p.m. to let people know whether or not their bids were accepted. Thankfully, they let us know what?
About a week.
Yeah, about a week before we actually left for Barcelona from the States. So they sent us an email saying that we got it. We entered a credit card at the time of bidding, so it was charged. And they immediately switched out our room, paid the bill, and here we are. So if you're looking to upgrade your stateroom cabin, I definitely recommend going on Royal Caribbean's website. In the search bar, type in RoyalUp. There will be a link from one of the frequently asked questions, and shoot your shot, right?
Yeah,
It worked out for us.
I'm so glad that we did it because I didn't want to look at the water, but now I'm ready to try something different.
Right. Let's look at the sea.
Let's look at the sea.
I mean, the lighting is gorgeous. Like to have that fresh lighting in from your own balcony. The balcony is clear, y'all. So, the light is gorgeous.
Life is short. let's.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If there's anything we learned from the past 2 years, life is short. So, you know, as long as it's within your means, do it. Do it if it's within your means. And that's how we got our upgrade. So if you have any questions for us, leave it in the comments down below. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe buttons and that notification bell for when we're gonna post our next videos, because we got a lot in store for you. So catch you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, it's soft.
Your mom would be so upset.
Yeah. So the bed is soft. I'll lay on it more later. So I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.